Hi, this is Mark Vila from ColDesi, and today we're here to talk about sublimating t-shirts with Vapor Apparel, and we're going to focus on doing a little job that you might be doing where we've got the name of a boat that we've printed out on our Sawgrass printer, and we've gone ahead and sublimated it onto this Vapor Apparel. So I'll tell you a little bit about everything that we've got here. We can start off with our Vapor foam kit, and we're going to go into this as we go back in time and show you how we did it. But we created this foam that's to be used with our transfers, and this goes along with the Teflon sheet too, and this helps to reduce really bold lines and things that can happen when you put a polyester t-shirt under heat press. Of course, we've got some scissors and a ruler to back that up. We'll show you using that too. And here is our Vapor Apparel tee. I'll show you the finished product that we have here, but this is a long sleeve solar tee. So this is a UPF 50 rated. So it's the highest rated that you can have for sun protection. It's also got antimicrobial properties. It's generally stain resistant. It's moisture wicking. And it's particularly soft, and it has just the right amount of stretch in it. So it's a really nice shirt if you're looking for this long sleeve UPF apparel. Great for boating and fishing and doing a custom job like this, where we took the name of somebody's boat and sublimated it onto a shirt. And finally, you can see our finished product right here. We did about 10 of these shirts, and let's go back in time and show you how we did it. All right, I've got our cutout Lucky Lucky logo, and we're gonna cut out some foam with our Vapor foam kit, and this is gonna help reduce or eliminate any lines from sublimating. And we're gonna measure it just smaller than the paper we have. So I'm gonna cut that right about here. Then I'm going to cut the width as well. And we end up with something that looks pretty close to this. I'm going to do a little bit of trimming to straighten that out, and this will be good to go. We're going to prep our heat press with our foam kit now. I'm going to measure probably between 4 and 5 inches, because this is going to be a back, center, and one of the methods I like to do is take heat tape and just tape it into place so it doesn't move. Now we add the Teflon sheet, and this one is specific with the Vapor foam kit, by the way. It is a very specific thickness and style. And we put that right over top, and you can even tape this down too if you wanted. This is going to prevent any of the sublimation from going into your foam and transferring to your next shirt. All right, well, we have our foam, we've got our Vapor Teflon sheet, and our Vapor tee. So I'm gonna thread this on. This prevents any blowout from getting onto the front of the shirt, essentially sublimation going through the entire shirt. All right, here's our Lucky Lucky boat name transfer. And we line that up right on the foam kit. The edges actually hang off, so it's really easy to feel right where it's centered, and you'll knock it in the same place every time. And today I'm going to use a little bit of tape too. All right, time to press. It's time to move to our Lucky Lucky left chest logo. And similarly with the foam kit, we cut out something that is smaller than the paper, but larger than the logo, and just put some tape down to keep it in place. And it's time for our Teflon sheet again, and then we can get into production. So we've threaded on this shirt, as mentioned earlier, because we want to make sure that we don't get what's referred to as blowout, where the logo sublimates through the back of the shirt and ruins the logo that we already have on there. Next, I'll take a ruler, and I'm kind of going to go by a rule of thumb of about roughly, depending on the size, 6 to 8 inches down. So This one we're right about 7 from our seam, so that'll be good. And then from the center, we're gonna do, the center of the logo should be roughly 4, so we'll take a look at that. There's 4 inches from the center of our shirt, and that's just about in the middle too. So this is perfect, and what's great here is you can always adjust your shirt a bit by sliding back and forth without having to move your foam kit. So this is good. I'm gonna take that down. All right, so we have our left chest logo. We'll line it up. Again, I'm making sure that it's on top of the foam and the edges of the paper are not. Pull the tape down, and since the tape's over the edge of the foam, we won't get any tape lines, you'll see. Now that you got the opportunity to see us make these shirts, I wanted to tell you a little bit of the backstory and how Lucky Lucky came to be a project that we got to work with here at ColDesi. So we brought on the Vapor line of apparel recently, and in bringing that on, we had spoken to somebody who we knew wore a lot of these UPF shirts. So just some basic quick math, we've got 10 shirts that were made here. I asked what he would normally pay for a shirt like this, and he said somewhere in the range of $30 to $40 is usually what he pays for when he wants a custom shirt like this done in a long sleeve UPS shirt. So depending on who's making it and if they have to do artwork and some different things, but that was the range. So using even just the low end of that, we could do some quick numbers. A shirt like this, Vapor Apparel shirt like this, wholesale, is gonna be somewhere around the $11 range-ish. And to actually create the transfer like this with sublimation is change, right? It's almost nothing. So your total cost is really close to $11, $12, $10 to $12 range just to produce the shirt like this. Now the retail price, if we say the low end of that is $30, this job right here would be $300 worth of revenue, 10 times 30, and our cost was only about $110. So it's got a fantastic margin of a product. It was relatively easy to do. All of this was done from printing to pressing in an hour or less. So really just a fantastically profitable little job, easy to do. The finished product feels amazing. It's gonna wash perfectly, and we know that this customer is gonna be super happy. Well, thanks for watching our video on Vapor Apparel and sublimation. If you'd like to learn more about Vapor Apparel, you can go to colemanandcompany.com/vapor, and that'll take you right to the Vapor Apparel section. And while you're on Coleman & Company, you can look for the sublimation printers like the Sawgrass SG500 or SG1000 that were used in this. And you'll also see all inks and papers and all other sublimation supplies, including accessories too, like mugs and such. So definitely go to colemanandcompany.com, and if you have any questions, live chat with some of our crew.